do demonstrations one at a time. So here's a Casablanca Delta 2 ceiling fan. This is a 3-speed model, and this fan utilizes a Samsung motor. Jack Patterson 7, no, Mr. Horsepower 7 actually has one of these with the Samsung motor. And here's the Panama 5. He also has a Panama 5. This is on speed 1, but in 44-inch size. So this is a Mr. Horsepower 7 fan. So yeah, here it is. So yeah. So let's start it on low. So yeah. Here's low. It's got a good low speed to it. Has faster speeds in it. So, can someone tell the difference between Emerson and Samsung? If Emerson has slower low and then Samsung has a faster low, because I might be able to tell that Samsung has a faster low than Emerson. Here's medium. This is a designer gray finished. It looks like designer gray to me. I don't know. Because, you know, Casablanca Legacy series is becoming obsolete. I don't know why it is, but they should keep the Legacy series forever. They should. Because Legacy series is good fans. One of the blades bent. I thought it was going to be wobbling on high for some reason, but nope. Here's medium. There's high. This... Ooh, it has a startup noise, too. So it probably wasn't Emerson. I don't know. Emerson, it might have a fast low. I don't know if it's Emerson or Samsung. So when we do 0 to high, we can do a startup sound. Which is startup whine. Ooh, airflow test. And we give it a push. It moves a ton of air on high. It's pretty powerful. Little. Now spin down. Panama. I'm gonna sit right here and do spin down right here. One of the blades bent. I don't know why it's bent, but it uses the pointy blades, not the rounded blades. The 2 Casablanca Panamas I have are brushed nickel, and they have rounded blades, not pointy. Pointy pencil. Pointy Casablanca blades. I don't know. You know SpongeBob, I wrote the song by Patrick Starr. And you know, they say pointy pencil. But these are pointy Casablanca blades. I'll show you the tag. Casablanca Fan Company. Slumber 3, Delta 2. Before let's do startups. Very nice fan here. Still going. Now, let's do reverse, then startup sound. Because I heard an interesting startup line. Or I turn my headphones off for startup sound. Unless if they are off. Oh look, see if they're off. Yep, they're off. My Bose headphones are off. Well, I had Beats headphones. They originally used the button, not the slider switch. I can easily tell them the slider switch. That's about low reverse. Here is medium reverse. Then here's medium reverse. Here is high reverse. Now let's do stop it. Startups. Then here's using a vacuum. So let's wait. Here we go. Oh, there's people talking back on. Let's do it again. If it was quieter, then we'll do it. Let's put it back to medium. That's it. That's the Casablanca Delta 2 ceiling fan. Thanks for watching. Oh, I gotta put it on low. Because I'm gonna do a demonstration of the Panama. Yeah. Thanks for watching.